And I heard about forgiveness in our social cycle, that for you to move on, you have to forgive and everything. And I'm wondering if a tragedy has happened, because on
Mm,
average, especially I work with young people, and what they consider to be tragedy at times to be their internal relationship among their family. Not
mm.
that it's a practical violence, but probably they can
Yeah,
see eye to eye within between themselves and them.
absolutely. Even
So
emotional pain can be really, really damaging. Yeah, long term.
so good.
Mm,
So that's the reason why I think that I should bring it to your attention tonight, so
mm,
that
mm, mm, mm.
can be able to reason
You
together.
know,
Okay.
there is an approach, a therapy approach that is based on compassion of
Compassion.
oneself and others.
Okay.
And and one of the exercises is meant to be fostering your
Okay.
internal part that is the most compassionate. It's like all of us have this internal compassionate part. For example, when someone is in pain and we support a
Mhm.
friend, we do activate that compassion side, and sometimes we do with ourselves as well. So it's like this approach where you want to reinforce that, and you can think about an image or a person or a celebrity or a character of a book or a movie as well, if you want to imagine that, that embraces the main characteristics of a compassionate person, like someone who's wise and who is warmth and that empathize and that's had a lot of wisdom and strength. Someone that's maybe you know someone like that, maybe you imagine someone like that and try to think about how this person will react to.
Act in that situation.
So
Wow.
it's just I'm just giving you just a glimpse of that, but that's something that can be helpful to develop that compassionate self.
Um, Perfect. That's interesting. I'm so happy to know that. Very, very interesting, and I'll be very glad to pass it around. And then, if you, to those of you watching us tonight, I hope that you are writing and taking those things down. And if you find this video very interesting and useful to you, please pass it around, share it so that it will get to other people as well, that they might be able to use some of these instruments, this knowledge and wisdom that Dr. Manuela Sberna is sharing with us tonight. Thank you so very much, Doctor. I'm really grateful.